Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, I'm Kiriaki Tzoganaki, energy healer, energy mentor, and holistic beautician. Nowadays, we face challenges and we feel inadequate to cope. Most of the times, it takes a lot of effort for a small result. Even if we do some things for improving ourselves and our lives, seeing the general picture around us or our loved ones suffering, we are also negatively affected. Well, there are some tools that can help us not only to overcome our problems, but also to turn them into life opportunities. They can help us to turn all of our weaknesses into strengths. Which are these tools? We'll say them all and practice them in 2 workshops I'll coordinate at the Ufology World Congress 2022, which take place in September in Barcelona. In the first workshop, we'll deal with how we can manifest our paradise on earth, living according to the spiritual laws. In the second workshop, we'll see how we can connect with our inner guide and why this is so crucial in our lives. Both workshops will be done in a meditative way and they will be a group energy healing. In this way, we can subconsciously absorb more of the information and we can feel at a deeper level the meaning of these messages. I'll be glad to see you there and enjoy these beautiful experiences together.